If you start to look very closely to Mario in Super Mario Bros., there is one peculiar detail that used to drive me crazy. He smells way too good. Let's fix that. I already made Super Mario Bros. In a previous video. How can I make him stinky? AY being a huge disappointment, I started to make the game on my own. If Mario comes near a mountain, it explodes. You know, a friend of mine used to say, "Darkness." So I made the world much darker. And I got this other friend that is a big fan of money. So, you know, I added some raffinery on the background. But you know me, I'm a big fan of nature. So I just added a happy little tree in there. And a happy little sun that seems confused. It was time to update the entire Mario sprites, using a reference. Anything that smells really bad needs flies, right? Beautiful. Also, here's a big-ass nuclear explosion, I'm not answering any questions. Using a parallax effect, the background seems more alive now. I then added this little anti-nuclear propaganda because, I don't know, it just felt right. I then started drawing a chef from a famous restaurant in France. Oh, and I made everything so green, you can actually use the game as a green screen. It's so stupid. I added a simple AY for the clouds, and it looks like my love life. Damn it. But you know, Mario really stinks, so I made Goombas and rats run away from him as well. You know what would be so funny? Imagine if you would poop one poop every second, and even the poops would be so disgusting by you they would even run away. Like, also, because you are a really dark individual, I added a dark trail below you. Now that level 1 is done, I just need to update 31 more levels. Duh! I'm not even kidding with you here, I actually remade all 32 levels of the original game. And this is what the new Bowser level feels like. You kill Bowser, you meet Toad, and you know, she's puking to death. That's okay. Of course, here you can admire the ocean and commune with nature. Perfetto. I had no more ideas at this point, so I made the fishes just not look at you. Remember, you're just disgusting. I then came up with the idea of adding cracks in the walls, because it was way too clean. Way too clean. I then made even more creatures disgusted by your sight and not look at you, like this guy and this guy. It's silly how rotating a sprite can change the overall feel of the game. Okay, I love this one. So, the bullets don't look at you, but they are slightly disgusted by you, but not too much, to keep the difficulty there. So, yeah. I added a croissant moon because I'm French.
One eternity later.
Yes, I finally remade all the levels green. But your boy still has some things to do. Starting by updating all the musics of the game. I then proceeded to add 1,000 rats to the game one by one. I'm not even kidding here. I added about 40 rats for each level, as there are 32 levels. And finally, I updated the title screen, and the game is now done. You can try it for free on my itch.io page. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, and if you want to see more games dev videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Until then, I'll see you next time.